So it's first day of June, and we're going to be flying the little Mini. Yeah, the little Mini. There it is, right there. And we're going to do the update now. Start upload. You can see now is there's the upload. So Fimi is making a lot of changes pretty quick, which is good. Yeah, I'm probably going to miss the sunrise, but I'll try to update this now than later. I put this off for a little bit because I wanted to see what everybody else was saying about this. Yeah, I wasn't an early adopter, the 1006. So this video is how to update your firmware. It's pretty easy on the Fimi Mini through the Navi Mini app. As you can see right now, it's 60% complete, and it hasn't done anything to this guy yet. I'm going to spin it around so you guys can see the LED. And you can see this is what the LED looks like. It blinks red and green when it's updating. It is currently at approaching 65% completion. So when you have a connection between the remote controller and the aircraft, you get all four lights, LEDs lit up here, approaching 70% completion on the flight controller. And so we saw a pause right there for a second, and that's when it was going through all the modules, approaching 90% completion on the flight controller, 93, 95, 97, 98, 100% completion on the flight control update is complete. And you push the update complete button on there, and this is unable to enter GPS. Be careful. Okay, I will be very careful. So I'm going to stop and start my screen recorder. And so we're now going to test this little guy here. Let's go through the settings here. And let's do the firmware update and see, 107D. It's even better. 2007 Charlie. So we're in the flight controller is 1007D Delta. Okay, nice. Check my settings. 16 meters a second, that's fine. Limit of distance. And increase that. Height is correct. RTH8. Make sure you check all your settings after your updates, because some of these things will enable backward flying. That's good. Gain and tuning. Yeah, I could do a little bit of tuning, but I think I'll save that for another day. Sensitivity. I could change the sensitivity on the yaw a little bit. Yeah, get that 40%. 35% is fine. That's better. Okay. So now, just going to start the recording. Double check on everything. Yep, everything's working fine.